Hello, this is Lucas, and in this video we will be going over and, or, and not in MySQL. So this is just a way that we can have multiple conditions in the same select query. So if we do select all from persons, okay, we get all of these records that we have here. Okay, but now what we can do is let's do select all from persons where first name is equal to, let's say we do Bob. Okay, this will just get all of the records that have the first name Bob. But what we can do is we can have select all from persons where first name is equal to Bob, and we can do and last name is equal to, let's say we do Peter. There's two values, and when we do this, you can see we will only get the records that have Bob and Peter. Okay, Bob and Peter. If it has Bob and something else, or if it has Peter and something else, we will not get that record. What else we can do is we can go, we can change this and to an or. Then we can do first name again. Let's change this to John. What we are doing now is we are selecting all the records from person where the first name is equal to Bob, or if the first name is equal to John. So you can see we have Bob and then John as well. Okay, so that's the or and not. What else can we do? We can also have not, where not, so this will just get the records where the first name is not equal to Bob. Okay, so we can actually combine all of these. So let's do this. Let's select all from persons, okay, where not first name is equal to Bob. Okay, so the first name cannot be equal to Bob, so it will just be these two records. Then what we can do is we can do and first name is equal to John. Okay, so what we're doing here is we are not selecting everything that is equal to Bob, and we are selecting the first name that is equal to John. So we can actually combine these, okay, two into one. We can also have the or as well. Okay, so that's about it for this video on and, or, and not operators in MySQL. Hope this video was helpful. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.